How to check your seat and stadium map for FIFA World Cup 2026 app. So first of all, install the FWC 2026 app. Now this is the full name. Search for FWC 2026 mobile tickets app on Play Store. It is available there. You can install it for free. Tap on install and your app will be installed. If you're confused about the word FWC, it simply stands for FIFA World Cup 2026, which is happening currently. The match has started, so you gotta see them in the stadium. So if you have purchased the tickets, what you can do is tap on this app. This is the official app. Make sure to log in your details using the FIFA official ID. If you have, you can also log in via your Google account, and after submitting your phone number and confirming, you are good to go. So all of your upcoming matches ticket will be shown in this interface, and if you want to see about the matches you have attended, you can always switch to past matches, and in the upcoming matches here your ticket will be loaded, and all the information regarding your seat, your stadium location, your stadium map, and your stadium match timing, and the countries that are playing against, everything will be showed in your ticket. Make sure to read it properly, and you're good to go, guys. Now watch the match in the stadium, roaring, shouting, and hit the like button, and consider subscribing to the channel, and mention who